Morning, y'all. And having a good day. It's Monday. Fucking truck acting up on me. I gotta go get me some fucking jumper cables. So that's how my Monday's starting off. So, hope you have a good day, man. Morning, y'all. So, got the motherfucking car hooked up. So, let that shit charge up. Had to go buy some spark plugs within the store right up the street. Hopefully this shit starts up. I'll let it sit for a little bit. Ooh, man, it's fucking cold out here. I think that's I get my glow plugs changed too. Fuck, man. Mondays, man. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing right now, so we'll get back with y'all. What's happening? Finally, man, got this bitch started. What I did, I had an appointment at 9, so I just took the car, took some tools over there, installed the doorknob lock code, door lock, and the combination, and then came back and let this thing charge for a little bit. So I'm gonna go do a dump run real quick. I'll be out, man. Y'all be good. Don't forget to invest your money, baby. Vaco.